This is me. There was a time that I can barely speak out. I was a bit of a loner at that time. Everything was just a mess to me, a huge mess. But now, everybody tells me that I'm being more confident, more open to others, have sense of humor and some ties to that. My name is Ding Lang, by the way, and my story began just 1 year ago. One day, when walking along the street, I saw a poster showing that there was a demo class, and it looked interesting. Then I had thought that I might join that class. I can't believe that my decision has changed everything. The way they let us, strangers, to connect, to interact with each other made me feel so different. I admire the trainers and tutors here. They were really energetic, and they're always willing to help us whenever we have problems. They gave us an amazing learning environment, and I found a brand new me. Actually, it is easy for me to learn grammar and vocabulary thing, but I didn't really know what the purpose of learning English. I got to know more friends. I had a lot of chances to hang out with them and help them with their grammar. And when I did it, I realized that language is not about learning. It's about communicating. It's about getting closer to each other. You guess what? Now I'm working as a tutor at Pasal, and I found that job suits me so well. I know the troubles and difficulties that learners have in learning English. Helping people is one of the things that I want to do all the time. And Pasal is a wonderful place where not my voice begins, but also me, myself, and I begin.